Hello everyone! Guess what Emma is doing today? I am going on a long-tail boat ride in Thailand. Look at that boat, it is so long. And listen to that engine, so loud. Haha, don't worry, it is perfectly safe. Long-tail boats are famous in Thailand. Tourists come from all over the world to ride them. And today, it is our turn. Come on. New words. 4 new words before we go. Ready? Boat. A boat is a vehicle that travels on water. Not on land, not in the sky, on water. A long-tail boat is a very special Thai boat. Boat. Say it. Boat. River. A river is a long, natural flow of water. It moves. In Thailand, many cities and towns are built next to rivers. River. Say it. River. Wave. When a boat moves fast, the water moves up and down. These are waves. Small waves, big waves, Emma's favorite waves. Wave. Say it. Wave. Spray. When the boat goes fast, tiny drops of water fly into the air. This is spray. It feels cold and fresh. Spray. Say it. Spray. Wonderful. Now, let's get on the boat. Ready? We go fast. Hold on tight. We say, hold on tight. When something is going to move fast, or when it might be a little scary, it means grab something and don't let go. You say it to a friend before a fast ride, before a roller coaster, before a long-tail boat. Hold on tight. It is also very encouraging. Like saying, you can do it, be brave. Now you say it, hold on tight. Haha, holding on. Good, here we go. The water is so blue. Sometimes, nature is so beautiful and you just have to stop and say something. The water is so blue. The word so makes it stronger. It means more than just blue. It is incredibly blue. You can use this pattern for anything beautiful. The sky is so blue. The flowers are so beautiful. The mountains are so tall. So plus adjective. Very natural English. Look at this water. Say it with me. The water is so blue. I could look at this forever. Excuse me, Chai. How long does it take to get to the market? How long does it take? About 20 minutes. Not long. 20 minutes, perfect. How long does it take? Is one of the most useful questions in English. You ask this when you want to know about time. How many minutes? How many hours? At the airport, how long does it take to fly to Bangkok? On the bus. How long does it take to get to the city? On a long-tail boat? How long does it take to reach the market? Always the same pattern. How long does it take? Easy. Your turn. How long does it take? Great question. Okay, Chai, are we ready? Yes, hold on tight, Emma. Haha, okay, here we go. Woohoo! Oh, Chai, the water is so blue. It is so beautiful. Chai, yes, this is the Ping River. Very beautiful, yes? Very beautiful. Chai, how long does it take to reach the floating market? About 15 more minutes. 15 minutes? Wonderful. I don't want this ride to end. Did you catch our 3 phrases? Let's check. Hold on tight. Before something fast or exciting. The water is so blue. Expressing amazement. How long does it take? Asking about time. Say them all with me. Hold on tight. The water is so blue. How long does it take? Quiz time. 3 questions. Are you ready? Question 1. The boat is about to go very fast. What do you say to your friend? Hold on tight. Question 2. The water is so beautiful and clear. What do you say? The water is so blue. Question 3. The child wants to know, how many minutes to the next stop? What do they ask? How long does it take? Perfect score. You are ready to ride a long-tail boat. Today, I rode a long-tail boat on the river in Thailand, and we learned 3 great phrases. Hold on tight. The water is so blue. How long does it take? Longtail boats are one of the most exciting and most beautiful experiences in Thailand. If you ever visit, please try it. You will love it. Coming next, Emma goes to a Thai night market. So many colors, so many smells, so many things to try. See you next time. Bye-bye.